It's session number 4. Let us start now. The question, limit x approaches 0, 2 power x minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus x minus 1, root of 1 plus x minus 1. If we apply direct value, x approaches 0, 2 power 0 minus 1, numerator 0, denominator 1 plus 0, root of 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This is an indeterminate form. So to avoid indeterminate form, we need x in the denominator so that we can use the result a power x minus 1 by x whenever x approaches 0, the limiting value ln a. Okay, in order to apply this particular result, we need x in the denominator. What to do? Limit x approaches 0, 2 power x minus 1 by, this is L, root of 1 plus x minus 1. Let us now rationalize the denominator so that we can get x in the denominator. Root of 1 plus x plus 1, root of 1 plus x plus 1. And further proceeding, the root of 1 plus x minus 1 into root of 1 plus x plus 1, using the formula a square minus b square, the whole thing is x. 2 power x minus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now there won't be any problem. That means we won't get indeterminate form. So limit of the first factor ln 2 a equal to 2. Limit of the second factor root of 1 plus 0 plus 1, root of 2 only, root of 1. So 2 into ln 2 is nothing but ln 4. The final answer ln 4. Go through it. So dear student, the next question, limit x approaches pi by 2, 1 minus tan x by 2 into 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus tan x by 2, tan x by 2 into pi minus 2x whole power 3. If we take x equal to pi by 2, that is direct limit, x equal to pi by 2 means x by 2 pi by 4, tan pi by 4 1, 1 minus 1 0. So numerator 0. Denominator, the pi minus 2x part will be 0 into 1 plus tan pi by 4, the whole thing 0. Numerator 0, denominator also 0. Indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Okay, to avoid indeterminate form, let us take L limit x approaches pi by 2. Dear student, the 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2 can be taken together into 1 minus sin x divided by, we take 2 power 3 completely outside, 8 into pi by 2 minus x whole power 3. And from 11th standard identity or trigonometric identity, 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2, and tan of and pi by 4 minus x by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay. Then into 1 minus sin x divided by when you take the 8 okay, 8 into pi by 2 minus 6 the whole cube. Then limit x approaches pi by 2, then if you take one more 2 outside, then again 8 will come. This will be pi by 4. The other one x by 2, 8 into 8, 1 by 64 tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2, and pi by 4 minus x by 2 into 1 minus sin x by pi by 4 minus x by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. X by 2. Okay. Then if we apply the limit, or if we take pi by 4 minus x by 2 equal to t, then we can convert everything in term of t. What to do? Let us take t equal to the angle pi by 4 minus x by 2, correct? Then this implies what is x value? X by 2 equal to t pi by 4 minus t. It will come pi by 4 minus t. Then what about x? Pi by 2 minus 2t. Now we can convert the whole thing. So whenever x approaches pi by 2, uh, t approaches 0. What's the new limit? 1 by 64 limit t approaches 0 tan t by t into 1 minus sine. What about x? Pi by 2 minus 2t. Pi by 2 minus 2t. The denominator, the t square. T square. Okay. If we continue, 1 by 64 limit t approaches 0 tan t by t, familiar result, that is 1, into limit t approaches 0 sine of 90 minus theta cos theta, so 1 minus cos 2t by t square. Okay, this formula. So 1 by 64 limit and t approaches 0 1 minus cos theta. Just remember the formula. 1 minus cos theta 2 sine square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos 2t and 2 sine square t by t square. So once again, student, we can take 2 along with the 64 1 by 32 limit and t approaches 0 sine square t by t square. So we can apply sandwich theorem. Sine square t by t square. By sandwich theorem, this whole thing 1. Therefore, final result L equal to 1 over 32. This is the answer and go through it. The next example, limit x approaches 0, log, that is LN mean log, natural log of 3 plus x minus log of 3 minus x by x. Okay. Whenever the getting answer seems to be a little difficult, we can apply a L'Hopital rule. So far we did not apply this rule, L'Hopital rule or L'Hospital rule. L'Hopital rule. Okay, this is most important and effective tool for competitive examinations alone, not for school examination level. So you can use the rule to verify your answer, not to get marks from the hand of teachers. So L is limit x approaches 0 log of 3 plus x minus log of 3 minus x divided by x. If you apply and straight away limit log 3 minus log 3, numerator 0, denominator 0 in determinant form. In determinant form. We have to avoid indeterminate form. There are so many methods to arrive the final answer. But L'Hopital rule, most effective method, time consuming, least time consuming one. What to do? Don't apply quotient rule u by v. Differentiate numerator separately and denominator also. What's the derivative of numerator? Log of 3 plus x, 1 over 3 plus x, that's all. The other one, 1 over 3 minus x. Because of minus x, it will be plus. Okay. The denominator already 1. Derivative of x 1. Only these two terms are left. Now taking limit. What the answer? X equal to 0, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay. Dear student, the next question, one more similar question. Limit x approaches 0, ln of 1 plus 2x minus 2 ln of 1 plus x by h square. That is not h, it should be x. It should be x. Okay, the variable is x, should be x square. What is the direct limit? X equal to 0 log 1 0 to log 1 0 0 by 0 in determinant form. So to avoid indeterminate form, what to do? As we discussed in the previous question, we can apply L'Hopital rule. Log of 1 plus 2x minus 2 log of 1 plus x by x square. Applying L'Hopital rule. Limit h approaches 0 and derivative of log of 1 plus 2x 2 by 1 plus 2x, okay, minus 2 by 1 plus x. Then the denominator derivative of x square 2x, so 1 by 2x. Then 2 cancel. Limit x approaches 0 1 by 1 plus 2x minus 1 by 1 plus x into 1 plus x. If you take the limit, what will come? 1 minus 1 0, and then 1 by 0 not defined, 0 into infinity, indeterminate form. Remember student, 0 into infinity, indeterminate form. 0 into infinity, indeterminate form. To avoid, let us simplify. 1 plus x LCM minus 1 minus 2x by 1 plus 2x into 1 plus x in dx, okay. Then minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 2x by x, this x and x also cancel. Finally, lowest form of the given expression, limit x approaches 0, the numerator minus 1 is left, the denominator 1 plus 2x into 1 plus x, is it not? Now let us take limit. Taking x approaches 0, minus 1 alone answer. This is the answer, minus 1. The next question, if g of x equal to minus root of 25 minus x square, then the value of limit x approaches 1. Limit x approaches 1 and g of x minus g of 1 divided by g of x minus 1. What is the value? What is the fundamental? You must remember f of x minus f of a, the denominator x minus a limiting factor x approaches a. This is nothing but an f dash of a. Using first principle of derivative, f dash of a. Very, very important formula from the fundamental theorem of calculus. From the fundamental theorem of calculus. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus or using the first principle of derivative. g of x minus g of 1 by x minus 1, limit x approaches 1 is nothing but g dash of 1. Okay, what is given? G of x is minus root of 25 minus x square. Let us differentiate g dash minus of, what is the derivative of this? Minus 2x by chain rule, the denominator 2 root of 25 minus x square, on simplification 2 and 2 cancel, x over root of 25 minus x square. This is g dash of x. This implies, student, we need g dash of 1. 1 over root of 25 minus 1. So 1 over root of 24. So root of 24 is nothing but 1 by 2 root of 3. So remember the final answer. Therefore, limit x approaches 1, g of x minus g of 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 3 root of 2. Not 3 root of 2, 2 root of 3. 2 root of 3. Okay, go through it. So, dear student, what is the correction here? And 6 into 4, 24 means root of 6 into 4, 2 into root of 6. This should be root 6. So, dear student, look at the question. F of a, some data is given. F of a, f dash of a, g of a, g dash of a. So if you come across this kind of data in case of limiting problem, immediately you should think of L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule alone applicable to get the answer quickly. Okay, so we are going to apply L'Hopital rule. L equal to limit x approaches a, g of x f of a minus f of a into f of g of a into f of x minus a. What is a direct value? G of a, f of a, g of a, f of a, 0 by 0 will come in determinate form. Direct value indeterminate form. And to avoid indeterminate form, apply a L'Hopital rule. L equal to limit x approaches a and derivative numerator g dash into f of a. F of a will not be 0, coefficient g of a and f dash. Derivative of x minus a 1. Now data is available, substitute. Limit, no need limit, straight away. G dash of a, taking x equal to a, g dash of a, f of a minus g of a, f dash of a. G dash of a 2, f of a 2, g of a minus 1, f dash of a plus 1. This 4 minus or minus plus 1 into 1 2, and this gives the result 5. This is the limit. So what is the final answer? And L equal to 5. L equal to 5, and go through it. We'll continue in the next class.